Today's topic is Young's double slit experiment. Actually, in 1802, Young's demonstrated the phenomenon of interference of light. Actually, he demonstrated the idea, what we discussed in the previous class as well, right? And how he gave the whole theoretical explanation, as I told you in the previous class as well, right? In the previous video, you can see that how he can predict the full theory of the interference. Obviously he did some practical in the lab, and then only he demonstrate and find out some explanation related to this topic, right? So let us start the experiment what he studied in 1802. तो हम उसे experiment को पढ़ेंगे कि ये सारा का सारा जो predictions की गई और कि crust of one wave fall on the crust of other wave becomes the constructive interference gives us the maximum value of light, right? So how he conclude all this? So let's start. What happened? He was just taking a narrow slit, right? And that slit is about 1 millimeter, right? Its distance is 1 mm, right? And this slit is illuminated by a monochromatic source of light. It is illuminated by a monochromatic source of light. Monochromatic sources of light are those which having the single wavelength, right? So this is a narrow slit, right? And at a suitable distance, right, from this S, approx 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter from S, there is a symmetry which is parallel to the S, right? Like this. And there are two fine slits. इसमें क्या है, दो फाइन स्लिट्स हैं. एंड वो जो फाइन स्लिट्स हैं उनका कितना डिस्टेंस उसने लिया? दिस इज 0.5 mm apart, right? And after these two slits which are parallel to this monochromatic source of light, he placed a screen which is about 2 meter from the slit A and B. 2 meter from the slit A and B. So named these A and B, right? So this is 2 meter. So what he observed, when he illuminate this with a monochromatic source of light, right? The source of light here is monochromatic, and what happened? The waves gets passed through these two slits, and after that it's striking on the screen. ऐसा, ठीक है, कुछ ऐसा है. यहाँ से waves आ रही हैं. The waves are coming from this. यहाँ से तो ओपनली आ रही है, बट यहाँ पे आते ही पूरी की तरह तो ये क्रॉस नहीं कर पाएंगी. कितनी क्रॉस करेंगी? सिर्फ स्लिट से क्रॉस करेंगी, इन होल से क्रॉस करेंगी. एंड आफ्टर दैट वो कहाँ पे? स्क्रीन पे सुपर इम्पोज हो रही है, ठीक है. वॉट ही ऑब्जर्व कि स्क्रीन पे कहीं पे तो लाइट का इंटेंसिटी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, मतलब बहुत अच्छा लाइट है, ठीक है. तो वहाँ पे क्या है? ब्राइट बैंड. वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ द नॉमेनक्लेचर, राइट? इन इंटरफेरेंस पे हम दो वर्ड्स यूज़ करेंगे जो इंटरफेरेंस का नॉमेनक्लेचर है. एक होगा आपके पास ब्राइट बैंड, ठीक है, ब्राइट बैंड, एंड द सेकेंड इज डार्क बैंड, ठीक है बच्चे. सो ब्राइट बैंड में क्या होगा? रिजल्टेंट इंटेंसिटी जो है लाइट का, रिजल्टेंट इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइट मैक्सिमम, एंड इन डार्क बैंड रिजल्टेंट इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लाइट बिकम्स लोअर, राइट? सो ऑन स्क्रीन, सो जब भी मैं ब्राइट बैंड या डार्क बैंड के लिए बोलूँगी, सो यू जस्ट हैव टू रिमेंबर अबाउट दिस. So he observed that on screen there are some bright bands, right? And there are few dark bands, ठीक है. So ये मेरे पास यहाँ पे है bright band, and this is a dark band, right? I'm using this for bright, right? And this is for dark, ठीक है. So he observed bright and dark bands observe on the screen. So when he found the bright and the dark band, ब्राइट मैंने कब बोला था कि ब्राइटनेस मीन्स the resultant intensity of light becomes maximum. So when he found when the crust of one wave falls on the crust of other wave, right? So when the crust of one wave fall on the crust of other wave, तब यहाँ से जो दो स्लिट से जो लाइट की वेव्स आ रही हैं, जब एक का क्रस्ट दूसरे के ट्रफ पे सुपर इम्पोज करेगा, so he observe bright band on the screen, and when the trough of the first wave or the second wave falls on the crust of other wave or trough of other wave, so the resultant intensity becomes minimum, and he found dark band. The thing to be remember, you have to retain into your mind that in interference, what type of bands we found bright and dark bands undoubtedly, right? But these bright and dark bands appear on the screen in an alternative way. If the first band is bright, the second must be dark. If the second is dark, the third must be bright. So they are like one to one, right? So you observe like this. So this all concept is based on the this Huygens principle. According to the Huygens principle, the monochromatic source of light, right, eliminating the slit and sends out spherical wavefronts, right? In last class I told you about these spherical wavefronts as well. So whenever we have the monochromatic source, whenever we have the point source of the light, we always found the spherical wavefronts, right? So where the light intensity is maximum, it is like a dot, right? It is represented by dot. Where the intensity of the light becomes minimum, it is represented by cross, right? So this is all about the Young's double slit experiment. So where he demonstrated in 1802 this Young's double slit experiment, and it is based on the interference of light, right? And he did a very simple setup, and just revise that he takes a narrow slit which is illuminated by monochromatic source of light. Monochromatic source of light means the source of light having the single wavelength, like sodium lamp, its wavelength is 5893 angstrom, right? And then at a distance of 10 centimeter, what he take two fine slits, right? He take a cardboard, and where he took out these two slits, and they are named as A and B, and their distance is 0.5 mm, right? And finally he takes a screen which is 2 meter apart from this, and he's just start the experiment. He just eliminate this the source of light with the monochromatic source of light, and what happened, initially the waves are coming in a open way, but when they are going to strike with this, the light waves only coming from these two slits. And after that, when the waves, right, when the crust of one wave falls on the trough of other wave, we get the dark band, and resultant intensity is minimum, so it is represented by cross. So, or it is represented by dark band, as I told you that in interference we use this nomenclature, right? And in this way he found the alternate bright and dark bands on the screen. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी, द क्वेश्चन इज ज़रूरी है कि पहला जो बैंड है वो ब्राइट ही होगा? नो, पहला आपके पास अगर डार्क है तो दूसरा ब्राइट होगा, अगर पहला ब्राइट है तो दूसरा डार्क होगा, एंड इन दिस वे द प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन. एंड दीज ब्राइट एंड द पॉइंट टू बी रिमेंबर, दीज ब्राइट एंड द डार्क fringes, right, are placed alternate and they are equally spaced. If these are separated from each other with the distance of 5 millimeter, the second is also of the same distribution. They are equally spaced. Hope so you people getting me. So this is all about the Young's double slit experiment. It is based on the theory of interference of light. So thank you very much.